Imagine you're playing against Nadal. It's high stakes. You're down 2 sets, and he's still hammering balls past you like you don't even exist, whipping every shot with that frightening mix of speed, topspin, and precision. And in the middle of all that chaos, one question hits you harder than his forehand. What makes the 22-time Grand Slam champion's serves and strikes so unplayable? That's what we're breaking down today. It all begins with the stance. Most players think power starts in the arm, so they muscle every shot from the shoulder like they're trying to beat the ball into submission. But real power starts at the ground. Nadal, Federer, Djokovic, they don't swing at the ball, they swing from the earth. Before the racket even moves, their legs are coiled, weight perfectly balanced, and their entire body is primed to release stored energy. So when the ball enters striking range, everything fires in sequence. Legs drive upward, hips rotate, the core tightens, and the arm simply transfers that power. The arm isn't the engine, it's the delivery system. To build that same fluidity, practice slowly while watching your shadow. Feel your legs push, your hips rotate, and the force travels smoothly up your body until it exits through your hand. Do it enough times that it feels unconscious, like your body understands the movement better than your brain does. But the stance is only half the story. Stability is the silent weapon behind every elite striker. Watching footwork drills might feel like watching paint dry, but without stability, your swing collapses the moment the ball speeds up. Look at Nadal mid-rally. His upper body is rotating like a turbine, but below the waist, he's pure concrete. A simple way to train this is by balancing on one leg with a slight knee bend, racket in hand, and slowly simulating your forehand while rotating your torso. The goal is to stay balanced, eliminate the wobble, and teach your body to stay stable even during movement. Follow that with wide side lunges while twisting your torso toward the bent knee. This mimics the push and pivot motion that both powerful tennis and paddle shots rely on. You're teaching your legs to handle force, while your core controls rotation. Once your foundation is solid, we move to timing, specifically hitting the ball early. One of the biggest mistakes amateur players make is letting the ball drift too close before contact, forcing a panicked slap that looks like they're trying to swat a fly with overdue rent. Great players like Nadal and Federer strike when the ball is in front of their body, catching it on the rise where it still carries energy. That's how you take control of a point instead of reacting to it. To train this, stand a few feet from a wall and rally while focusing on meeting the ball early. Let your shoulder lead the stroke, not your hand. Record yourself from the side, freeze the frame at contact, and check your elbow. If it's tucked behind your ribs, you're playing reverse tennis. So keep it out and aligned so your body can drive through the ball. Early contact isn't just cleaner, it's naturally faster and heavier because the ball is absorbing your upward building energy. And finally, the part people underestimate, relaxation. After all these drills, you'll feel fired up, but gripping the racket like you're questioning its loyalty will destroy every ounce of fluidity. The greatest hitters stay calm until the last millisecond, then snap with controlled violence. Hold the racket just firm enough not to lose it. Stay smooth through the start of the swing, and explode only at the point of contact. Even the grunt helps, not for power, but for psychological warfare. So to strike like Nadal, you don't mimic the motion. You learn the engine behind it. Ground reaction, rhythm, timing, stability, and relaxation under pressure. You're not fighting the ball, you're moving with it. And when everything connects, you'll feel that sweet, electric pop that tells you the shot didn't come from effort, but from energy flowing in perfect sync.